Hello traders, welcome to my screen view. In this video, I will show you how to use the Stochastic Momentum Index SMI of Money Flow Index MFI indicator to detect market trade opportunities. The Stochastic Momentum Index SMI is a technical analysis indicator that uses the difference between the current closing price and the high or low price over a specific time period to measure price momentum. On the other hand, the Money Flow Index, MFI, is an indicator that uses volume and price to measure buying and selling pressure. When these two indicators are combined, they can provide a more comprehensive view of price direction and market strength. To apply this indicator on the price chart, search the keywords the Stochastic Momentum Index, SMI of Money Flow Index, MFI. Select the EP version by Andre_007. Here's the technical indicator on our price chart. Before further checking how this indicator works, let's check its functionality settings. Right-click on the indicator and proceed to select the Settings option to see its parameters. Under the Input settings, there's the time frame. Here you can decide the time frame chart to implement the indicator's calculation. There are the MFI settings, which house the source HL2 and MFI length 14. By combining MSI and MFI, we can gain even more insights into the market. One way to do this is to use the MFI as an input to the SMI, rather than just using price. This means we are measuring momentum based on buying and selling pressure rather than just price. Another way to improve this indicator is to adjust the periods to suit your trading needs. The default source, HL2, can be modified to other available options. Next is the Stochastic Momentum Index. These parameter settings can also be modified, but it's advisable to leave its default settings. Next is the theme for TSI. Here are the bull, blue color, and bear, red color. Next is the theme for the signal. It also has the bull, blue color, and a bear, red color. Scrolling down will reveal more parameter settings for this indicator. How does the Stochastic Momentum Index, SMI, of Money Flow Index, MFI, indicator work in the market? When using the SMI MFI indicator, there are a few things to look out for. First, look at the SMI signal line. When the line crosses above -40, it is considered a potential buy signal. When crossing below +40, it's considered a potential sell signal. Also, pay attention to divergences between SMI, MFI, and price. If the price is rising, but the SMI MFI is showing negative divergence, it could indicate that momentum is waning and a reversal could be in the offing. Likewise, if the price is falling, but the MSI MFI is showing positive divergence, this could indicate that momentum is building and a reversal could also be in the offing. How can we use the Stochastic Momentum Index, SMI of Money Flow Index, MFI indicator to detect buy setup in the market? Let's study the price chart here. As we can see in this bullish price chart, the conjunction of the price SMI and the MFI SMI helps to anticipate divergences. In this uptrend, when the price made a bearish pullback against the Dominion bullish rally, the SMI and MFI made an opposite swing against the direction of the price chart. The swing on the indicator resulted in a higher low swing. This is a bullish divergence system formation. With this setup, traders can make a buy entry to continue riding this bullish trend. The transformation of the red shaded portion to the blue color confirms the entry of this bullish setup. This is how to execute a buy continuation entry in an uptrend with this indicator. To execute a buy entry for the reversal of a downtrend into an uptrend with this indicator, First, watch out for the formation of a bullish divergence on the indicator. Don't buy the first bullish divergence. Next, wait for the price to make another bearish pullback for the confirmation of the bullish divergence if it's real or fake. The last step is to watch out for the indicator to turn from red to blue and close above the -40 scale level before executing a small buy position entry. Trendline can also be applied to detect an early buy entry based on the close of the indicator above the falling trendline. Whenever buying with this indicator, take profit or trail your trade when the indicator fluctuates to the +40 scale value. Stop loss can be placed at the low of the prior candlestick next to the blue-colored entry candlestick. To sell with the Stochastic Momentum Index (SMI) of Money Flow Index (MFI) indicator, ensure that the price made a bullish pullback against the Dominion bearish rally. Next, watch out to see that the SMI and MFI made an opposite swing against the direction of the price chart. The swing on the indicator resulted in a lower high swing. This is a bearish divergence system formation. With this setup, traders can make a sell entry to continue riding this bearish trend. The transformation of the blue shaded portion to the red color confirms the entry of this bearish setup. This is how to execute a sell continuation entry in a downtrend with this indicator. To execute a sell entry for the reversal of an uptrend to a downtrend with this indicator, first, watch out for the formation of a bearish divergence on the indicator. Don't sell the first bearish divergence. Next, wait for the price to make another bullish pullback for the confirmation of the bearish divergence if it's real or fake. The last step is to watch out for the indicator to turn from blue to red and close below the +40 scale level before executing a small sell position entry. Trendline can also be applied to detect an early sell entry based on the close of the indicator below the rising trendline. Whenever selling with this indicator, take profit or trail your trade when the indicator fluctuates to the -40 scale value. Stop loss can be placed at the high of the prior candlestick next to the red-colored entry candlestick. This is how to execute a sell entry for the reversal of an uptrend to a downtrend with the Stochastic Momentum Index (SMI) of Money Flow Index